Okay, today what we have is this is going to be a part one of part two. The first part is going to be an in-house review of it, and then we're going to do a part two where I'm going to take it to the range. If you've seen any of my videos, you know that I do reviews on pistols, rifles, and shotguns. You just never know what I'm going to be showing that day. And I've got some good responses out of the lever action rifles that I have presented. And we just got out of hunting season and Christmas season, and so I haven't put anything on for a while. While I was hunting, one of the guys that we were hunting with happened to have this gun, and he did let me borrow it briefly. Didn't like to, but he did. What we have is we have a Marlin 1894P. Okay, so what it is it is a 44 mag lever action rifle, and as you can see, the barrel is ported. What I like about it, has iron sights. The other thing, it's lever action. Okay, we have a safety, which is push button. It has the checkered walnut stock, where some of the newer ones have the birch, and this one is actually the JM, which is the Marlin, not the Remington, so it makes it a little better. The gun itself weighs 5 3/4 pounds, so it is a nice lightweight gun. It would be good for ladies as well as guys that are backpacking, because it's short. And just to prove to you how short it is, I have a yardstick. The first thing let's measure the barrel. Okay, our barrel is actually, if we open it up, I don't know if you can see it or not, but if we open it up, the barrel is actually 16 1/8 inches long, which is really a short barrel for a full-size rifle like this. Most of them that I found on the internet was 20 inches. I could not find one that was in 16 1/8 that was ported. Now, I know a lot of people don't like the ported because, you know, at the gun range it's really loud for other people. But you being back behind, it's not going to be any louder than you shooting a 44 mag pistol, because everything's still going to be out in front of you. So that being said, it will reduce the muzzle climb. The rifle won't have that much of a muzzle climb, but with it being ported, it's going to eliminate all of it. Now, the second thing I like about this gun, I don't think I'm going to get back far enough to show you, but the gun itself, if I go to the end of the stock, to the end of the barrel, we are exactly at 33 1/4 inches long. So we are less than a yardstick. 5 3/4 pounds, 33 1/4 inches. That makes for a really short brush gun. If you're looking for a nice compact hiking gun to do some hunting with, like I said, with it being that short and that lightweight, it's an ideal gun. And being it is a 44 mag, it's going to give you the knockdown power for just about anything you need. Deer, elk, bear. It's not going to have a long range because, one, it is a pistol round, so it's not going to give you a lot of range with it. And two, with the shorter barrel, you're not going to have as many feet per second as you would with a 20 or 22 inch barrel. But if you're looking for a good backcountry, backpacking, lightweight, in bear country rifle, this is going to be it. Alright, most of your guns nowadays, since Remington took over, most of them are going to be birchwood, checkered. This is actually walnut. And like I said, with you guys like me, I really like lever actions. And this one has the open sights, and you can, it's already drilled and tapped if you want to put a scope on it. That would be a nice little added feature. You don't need a great big scope on it because you're not going to have the range. You're probably going to get 75 to 100 yards out of this. So probably just a little straight 4-power scope or 2.5 power scope is going to give you plenty of what you need. And like I said, we're going to take it to the range, and he did let us borrow it long enough that I'm going to get to the range with it, and then we're going to do both videos up so that you can see about how well it does. It has iron sights. Now, I only have one box of shells that I bought, so we're not going to do a lot of shooting, but we're going to do some, and I'm going to try to practice with it a little bit so I can get used to the sights. So the first 2 or 3 minutes are not me of not hitting anything other than the dirt mound at the range. So I want to shoot a little bit, get familiar with it, so we can shoot a few times, see how fast it is, see how fast it cycles the rounds, and see how accurate it is. Okay, 44 mag, 1894P. I think you guys are going to like this one. All right, it's not as nice as the Marlin stainless steel 1895 SBL that I have on there, but this one is going to be lightweight and packability. All right, remember, check out my other videos.